Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here in North Texas at Lewisville Lake and Pilot Knoll Park. And today we've got something very special to share with you. Mariner Sales and FPV-Power have collaborated together in order to come up with this new product for Hobie kayaks. What is that? This is the 28-pound thrust trolling motor designed by FPV-Power. It's got a 3-position switch. Along with that, it's got a built-in kill switch right here. That's an airplane. We'll just wait till it goes by. Viva la Mexico, wherever you're going. With this trolling motor only weighing in a little over 6 pounds, pulling 23 amps, when you pair it up with FPV's 50 amp lithium battery, that is one bad boy setup. All right guys, let's get on the water. Let's test this bad boy out. So let's drop this sucker in, see how it performs. All right, we're in. Plug the power up. Or make her up. I need to drop a rudder down. Alright guys, so we're on the water. We have the FPV trolling motor hooked up to the 50 amp battery, and we are going about 3.24 miles per hour right now. Check it out. Got your PWM throttle control here. There's forward, reverse. This is a 3-point switch. We've got our voltage up here, which is reading 11.7, what we have on our battery. We're connected right here to our kill switch at the bottom. And if you look up right back behind me, we've got the 50 amp FPV battery. Can you see it? Right there up underneath the seat. There you go. Turn that down, it'll stop us. Now if you hit something, if we hit a log or something in the creek, this thing is just gonna fly forward just like that. And it's gonna knock right up out of the way. It's just gonna continue to keep going. This little thing is crooked. So all we're having to do is steer right there with our rudder. Take a hard left turn. We're gonna run up into the cove and see what we got going on over there. So guys, you can also adjust the height of this trolling motor. If you want to bring it up higher, you can bring it up higher. You want to drop it down lower, definitely drop it down lower. What you just want to make sure of is the distance you have. So we're at 10 feet right now. We're trucking at about 3.3 miles per hour. Yeah, so it's turning out to be a great day. So there you go. That is the FPV-Power trolling motor that has been collaborated with Mariner Sales and FPV-Power out of Australia. All right, guys, we're gonna keep on trucking. We're gonna see how this goes. Be back at y'all later.